Need to get the water out? Try using a bilge pump. This is normally used for a boat, but it can be used for any purpose. Like if you need to suck the water out of the back of your toilet tank, or a clogged kitchen sink, or a hole in the ground. Of course, you could use a shop vac, wet vac, but with a bilge pump, it's very portable and it doesn't require any power because you're going to use this power. So let me show you how it works. You put this part down in the water, and then you put the tube down somewhere that you want the water to be released. And then you just pump this like a bicycle pump. So come with me and I'll demonstrate its use.